In this video, I guide you through creating a customized products list template for a specific category. I also demonstrate how to create separate product cards for different categories. Finally, in the end, I explain how to create an individual product card. We go to the previously prepared category in the menu. And then the templates on the builder. Here we have a previously created template, product list. Let's now create a new one. You give the template a name. And then indicate the category. Save the template. Now move it to the first position of the list of templates. As you can see, the builder is activated. We can now create a new template, or download it from the library. Go to the library and select any template for the product list. At this point, you can add any elements to this view. Let's try to add a header and text. In the case of your store, a description of the whole category can be helpful for search engine optimization as well. Let's save this view. And go back to the templates view in YOOTheme. As you can see, you have two templates for the product list here. Let's try to do the same for the single product view. We have selected a product from a specific category. On the configurator side, add a new template. Name it. And as before, select the category to which the product belongs. Save the template. And move it to the beginning of the list. The system recognizes the context correctly, and you can build a template for the product from this category. I suggest choosing one from the available in the library. Now, save your template. In this way, you can create different product card templates depending on the category. But these are not all the possibilities. You can also create product cards separately for each product. Go to the Builder tab on the YOOTheme side. Here you can see two options: New Layout, and Open Template. Choose the first option. After clicking on it, you can immediately create a unique appearance of the product card for the selected product. Of course, you can also use the library. Or build this view yourself using basic YOOTheme elements. Select the header element, for example. Next, go to Advanced Settings. And choose Dynamic Content, Product. Then, choose the appropriate component for this element in the Content tab. Similarly, using different YOOTheme elements, you can set illustrations, descriptions, functional elements, and the Add to Cart button. The final appearance of the product card depends only on your imagination.